Integration is the reverse of differentiation. So we'll look at if dy by dx equals 2x, then what was y? Most people think it's easy enough to get to y equals x squared. But when we differentiate, all our constants go to 0. So that could have been y equals x squared plus any number you want. To represent this, we're just going to say plus c, with c being the constant. So we get y equals x squared plus c. In general, if dy by dx equals x to the n, then y equals x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1, where n can't ever equal minus 1 for this to work, because we can't divide by 0. Our general rule to that effect is add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. So that's our rule that we kind of remember. We're going to write integrations using this sign. It's like a big stretched out S, because effectively it's a summation over an infinite number of infinitely small lines. So we got this integrate x to the n dx equals x to the n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus the c. So some examples of this: integrate x in terms of x, add 1 to the power, x squared divided by the new power over 2 plus the c. Integrate 2x plus 1 in terms of x squared plus x plus c. So the 1 turns into the x, and then we get the plus c on the end. Integrate 4x minus 3 in terms of x, add 1 to the power, x squared divided by the new power 2. We get 4x squared over 2 minus 3x plus c. So that's just 2x squared minus 3x plus c. Integrate 2x times x minus 4 in terms of x. Just like differentiation, we can't do it like this, we've got to multiply out that bracket. So that gives us integrate 2x squared minus 8x in terms of x. So that's just going to be 2x cubed over 3 minus 4x squared plus c. Integrate 1 over x squared in terms of x. Again, we can't do this, so we're going to have to write it as integrate x to the minus 2 in terms of x. Add 1 to the power divided by the new power. You get x to the minus 1 over minus 1 plus c. That can simplify to minus x to the minus 1 plus c. If we integrate square root of x in terms of x, we have to rewrite it in its index form, so it's the same as integrate x to the power half in terms of x. Add 1 to the power divided by the new power. We get x to the 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus c. Dividing by a fraction, a little bit messy, so we're going to make that look prettier. We can either bring the bottom denominator up to the top, or we can times top and bottom by 2. Either way, it gives us 2x to the 3 over 2 over 3 plus c. Integrate x cubed plus 1 all over x squared in terms of x. We're going to have to simplify down this fraction. X cubed over x squared is just x. 1 over x squared is x to the minus 2. So that gives us x squared over 2 minus x to the minus 1, like we had before, plus the c. Thank you.